What happens if we explain programming using Pringles? Hindi to sponsored advertisement ng Pringles, pero Pringles, baka naman. Welcome to day 11 on Project Code Sprint, where I talk about programming topics for 30 days. As promised dun sa commentaries natin, we're going to talk about the different types of loops sa programming. The for loop, the do-while loop, and the while loop. And we're gonna explain them using Pringles. 3 chips of Pringles, and every single time nakakain ako nitong Pringle chip na to, ay ibabato ko to. Let's do it! That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Para sa for loop, alam natin kung ilang bytes ng Pringles ang ginawa ko, and alam rin natin kung ilang beses natin binato itong item na to. Now, what about a while loop? Kakain lang ako ng kakain ng Pringles, habang continuous kong binabato ito. Sarap. Hanggang sa maubos ko yung Pringles can, continuous itong binabato. Paano naman kapag do-while loop? Kakainin ko, at habang kumakain ako isa, magbabato ko ng isa. And then, I'm gonna check if may laman pa tong can na to. Hanggang sa hindi maubos to, hindi ako titigil sa pagbabato nito. Let's do a quick recap. For, ibig sabihin fixed count, walang lamangan. While is always conditional. While, gumagawa muna bago tinitignan kung tapos na. Nakaka-enjoy rin pala yung mga examples na ganito, no? Like and follow for more.